Let's learn colors. Let's learn the color
blue.
Catboy is blue. The whale is blue. Thomas is blue. The stingray is blue. Rainbow Dash is blue. And Nomeo is blue. Let's learn the color
Red.
Spider-Man is red. The crab is red. Lightning McQueen is red. Juliet is red. Iron Man is red. The lobster is red. Let's learn the color
Green.
Gecko is green. The sea turtle is green. The alligator is green. The frog is green. Let's learn the color
Yellow.
The minion is yellow. The giraffe is yellow. Rubble is yellow. The pufferfish is yellow. Fluttershy is yellow. The rubber ducky is yellow. Let's learn the color
Pink.
Mummy Pig is pink. The seal is pink. Pinkie Pie is pink. The octopus is pink. Peppa Pig is pink. The lobster is pink. Let's learn the color
Orange.
Nemo is orange. The dolphin is orange. The bear is orange. The starfish is orange. The dog is orange. Let's learn the color
White.
Marshall is white with a red hat. The duck is white. Buzz Lightyear is white. The sheep is white. The zebra is white. Let's learn the color
Gray.
The great white shark is gray. The baby shark is gray. The ostrich is gray. The elephant is gray. The koala is gray. And the kangaroo is gray. Let's learn the color
Brown.
Pumbaa is brown. The lion is brown. The walrus is brown. And the deer is brown. Let's learn the color
Black.
The orca whale is black. The bear is black. Litten is black. And the monkey is black. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.